Judge Hannah Dugan convicted of felony obstruction for aiding undocumented man's escape. In a high-profile federal case, Milwaukee County Circuit Court Judge Hannah Dugan was found guilty of one count of felony obstruction after a 6-hour deliberation by a jury, while being acquitted of the charge that she concealed an undocumented immigrant to keep him from immigration officials. The indictment alleged that Dugan deliberately misled Department of Homeland Security agents who arrived on April 18 to arrest Eduardo Flores Ruiz, a Mexican national appearing in her courtroom on a battery charge. According to prosecutors, the judge sent the agents to the chief judge's office and then escorted Flores Ruiz and his counsel through a non-public side door, an act described as an attempt to shield the defendant from a removal proceeding. Flores Ruiz was eventually apprehended after a brief foot chase outside the courthouse. Dugan, who pleaded not guilty, now faces up to 5 years in federal prison, though a sentencing date has yet to be scheduled. Her attorney, Steve Biskupik, expressed disappointment with the mixed verdict, calling it a defensive victory, while the government painted Dugan as a frustrated judge who must be held accountable for abusing her authority. The defense countered that the prosecution's case is riddled with doubts, especially regarding the authenticity of audio recordings presented as evidence. A courtroom sketch captured the moment of jury selection, underscoring the trial's seriousness. Following the conviction, the Wisconsin Supreme Court placed Dugan on temporary suspension, citing public interest in removing her from official duties. Flores Ruiz, who had pleaded guilty to unlawful re-entry, received a sentence of time served and was later deported by DHS. The case highlights ongoing tensions between the judiciary and federal immigration enforcement, raising questions about the limits of judicial discretion in immigration matters.